This is a tutorial for your Flatline Scorpio, so you should definitely already have an invert and inverted crucifix. You should feel comfortable in those two moves because we need to move through them. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like and talk it through as I go through it. So I'm going to invert, so try and deadlift it up if you're not already working on that, so knees to chest and back. So we're in this position. The inside hand comes down and then it comes back up to shoulder level, and then I pull with the top arm, push with the bottom and turn my chest to face towards the ceiling. So lift. And then from there I want to swap the legs around. So right leg's currently in front, left foot's behind. I'm going to drop this inside knee, extend the leg back and then use it to replace that other leg. And then if you feel okay to there, I'm just trying to turn a little bit so you can see. If you feel okay there, your hand comes off. And that's your flat line. To come back off, you can just switch the legs around, hand up and slide. So we're going to go and try that the other side. So if you've got a little mat at home, you can put that down, or a few cushions just to protect yourself if you slide and get a little bit scared. It can just sometimes help with that. So let's go the other way. So we've got a lovely lift, big breath in and up. There. So legs are on, inside hand comes down, comes to shoulder level, push up, chest to ceiling, poles above the hip and underneath the ribs. From there, inside leg comes off to replace the leg that's on, hand comes off. Back on. You can switch the legs around, hand comes up, slide. So before we start working on transitions to that, it's important that you just get that down, get that movement down, use it standing up as well. Think about where you're going. It can be quite complicated at first, but once you've got it, you'll like never forget it. So go and play with that a few times over on both sides.